To the next stage in our factorising, we are going to look at taking out a common factor. If there are 4 terms, we come along here, over here, and we will use this example in this case that's actually written right there, which is xy plus xz plus by plus bz. Right, we factorise in pairs. That means we take the first pair and the second pair. The first pair we pull out the common factor, which is x, and we're left with y plus z. The second pair, common factor, b outside of y plus z. Okay, we've now factorised in pairs, and what do you know? When you look at the terms, we have a common factor. The common factor is b plus z. We can therefore pull out this thing out the front. Oh, sorry, y plus z. Oops, sorry. Y plus z comes out the front, and what are we left with here? We're left with x, and here we're left with b, so we get that. So the final thing will be y plus z outside of x plus b. Right, kicking on. 4 terms we have here. First things first, I know you thought I'd forgotten. Take out the common factor. Is there a common factor? There is not a common factor. We're good to go. Alright, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So, have to factorise in pairs. Take the first pair. Common factor is x squared. And we get x squared outside of x minus 3. Okay, there's a minus there, so I'm going to stick a minus in front again. And the common factor here is 9, minus 9, and we get x minus 3. Beautiful, because that's what we wanted. We want the same thing there and there. So this is working nicely. Now, we have a common factor, x minus 3, so I'm going to take that out the front. And that leaves this, which is x squared minus 9. Hey, I know what you're thinking. We are not done. This is exciting stuff. Because up here we have something special. We have the difference of 2 squares left. We've got 2 terms in here, the difference of 2 squares. So we're going to go on and keep going. So this is x minus 3. And in here we need to do this, which is x minus 3, x plus 3. And we could finish there, but we can tidy this up because as you can see, x minus 3, x minus 3. This is actually x minus 3 squared, x plus 3. And that is a fantastic answer. You've done well if you get there. Well done. Terms. Here we go. First things first, you know it. Take out the common factor. I'm just going to flip over this little diagram here. First thing, take out common factor. We have 4 terms. We're going to go over there. So, common factor is 3 outside of x cubed plus 3x squared minus x minus 3. Okay, now we're looking in here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. We know where to go. We're going to group in pairs. So we're going to group here and here. First one is, I'm going to make big square brackets because I'm going to have circular brackets inside, or curvy ones, whatever you want to call them. So x squared comes out the front of this, and we're left with x plus 3. Now we've got a minus here, so I'm going to stick a minus. And there isn't really a common factor here. The only common factor is actually 1. So I'm going to put 1, and then it's x plus 3. Lo and behold, x plus 3, x plus 3. God, why does it always work? We get 3 outside of x plus 3, and then x squared minus 1. Okay, beautiful. We don't actually need the square brackets here, so I might get rid of them now. And just write x plus 3, x squared minus 1. What do you know? We have in here the difference of 2 squares. X squared minus 1, 1 is of course a squared number. So 3 outside of x plus 3, this now becomes difference of 2 squares, which is x plus 1, x minus 1. Gold.